Everyone thinks the best-selling catalytic converters are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Catalytic Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. First up is the Catalytic Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. This product caught my eye because it's not just a cleaner. It helps pass emissions tests and restore catalytic converters, all for about $49.95. If you want to keep your vehicle running smoothly while avoiding costly repairs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Catalytic reduces hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, which is huge if you're facing emissions testing. It not only cleans vital components like your catalytic converter, but also enhances fuel economy and engine performance. Imagine saving money on gas and having a vehicle that passes emissions without a hitch. With over 15,500 reviews and a 4.2 star rating, it's clear that many vehicle owners are seeing the benefits. Now, some people complained about the application process being a bit messy. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the directions closely, it's pretty straightforward and can save you a ton in potential repair costs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy way to maintain your vehicle's performance and emissions compliance. Skip this one if you're not interested in preventative maintenance or prefer to ignore check engine lights. Now, if Catalytic's application bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Product number 2, Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Next we have the Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner, a solid option priced at $29.99. This caught my attention because it's specifically designed to tackle issues like the P0420 and P0430 check engine light codes. If you want to restore your engine performance without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this cleaner is that it's effective for both gasoline and hybrid vehicles. It works by thoroughly cleaning your catalytic converter, which helps ensure that your vehicle meets emission standards. Plus, with a 4.3 star rating and 911 reviews, you know folks are finding value in it. Just remember, it won't fix a cracked or broken catalytic converter, so it's best for those looking to maintain their existing setup. Now, some users reported that it didn't work as quickly as they hoped. I'll be real with you. It may take a couple of applications to see the full effect, but for regular maintenance, it's still a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution that can rejuvenate your vehicle's performance. Skip this one if you need immediate fixes for severe catalytic converter damage. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for overall engine maintenance. The Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean. Product number 3, Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean. Coming in at $17.41. The Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean is a real gem. This product caught my eye due to its ability to clean both the injection system and combustion chamber. If you want to improve your fuel efficiency while keeping your catalytic converter healthy, this one's worth a serious look. The beauty of this cleaner is that it protects your catalytic converter from clogging by effectively cleaning soot. It improves combustion, which means better fuel economy and lower CO2 emissions. With over 3,800 reviews and a 4.4 star rating, people are clearly seeing the benefits of using it in their gasoline engines. This is crucial if you're looking to extend the life of your engine and reduce maintenance costs. Now, some customers mentioned that it doesn't work for diesel engines. Here's the thing though, if you're driving a gasoline vehicle, this cleaner is ideal, and the price makes it hard to pass up. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, effective solution for maintaining your gasoline engine. Skip this if your vehicle runs on diesel, as it's not compatible. Now, if you need something a bit more robust, the next product is the magnaflow Catalytic Converter. Product number 4, magnaflow Catalytic Converter 94009. Up next is the magnaflow Catalytic Converter 94009, which retails for $116.08. It caught my attention due to its universal fit and high-quality stainless steel construction. If you want a reliable catalytic converter that meets EPA standards, this is certainly worth your time. This catalytic converter is designed to exceed emissions requirements and fits a wide range of vehicles. It features durable construction with integrated O2 ports, ensuring optimal performance. With a 4.6-star rating from 137 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its quality and reliability. Plus, it comes with a 5-year per 50,000-mile warranty, which is a huge peace of mind for potential buyers. Now, some folks have mentioned that professional installation is recommended, and I can see why. If you're not handy with car repairs, this could end up costing extra. But if you're looking for longevity and performance, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you value quality and are willing to pay a bit more for a product that lasts. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option or are not ready to deal with installation costs. Alright, that brings us to our last product, the Walker Ultra EPA 16387. Product number 5, Walker Ultra EPA 16387. Finally, we have the Walker Ultra EPA 16387, priced at $164.88. This direct-fit catalytic converter is specifically designed for Honda CR-V models from 1997 to 2001. If you want a perfect match for your vehicle without the hassle of modifications, this is definitely worth a look. This converter is EPA compliant and features an OE-style design for easy installation. It also comes with high-technology wash coat and optimal precious metal load, which means it's engineered to reduce tailpipe emissions effectively. With a 4.6-star rating from 96 reviews, you can trust that it's dependable and meets performance standards. Now, some users found the installation process a bit tricky, especially if they weren't familiar with direct-fit solutions. Here's the thing though, if you follow the provided instructions and have some basic tools, you should be fine. It's a small price to pay for ensuring your vehicle runs cleanly. This is perfect for you if you own a Honda CR-V from that era and want a straightforward replacement. Skip this if your vehicle isn't compatible or if you're looking for a universal option. In summary, whether you're looking at cleaners like Catalytic and Motor Power or robust options like magnaflow and Walker, each has its strengths. Choose based on your vehicle's needs and your personal preferences. To wrap this up, we covered a range of catalytic converters and cleaners. From Catalytic's convenient performance booster to Walker's direct-fit solution for Honda owners, there's something for everyone. Remember to consider your specific needs and vehicle compatibility when making your choice. Thanks for tuning in.